Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here today. What we're coming to you with today is we're using the AutoProPAD and we're going to program a key on a 2017 Chevrolet Trax. So we want to make sure immobilization is clicked. GM, US, you're going to agree. And then what you would do next is you would read security code, but we already have that. So you hit security code, it would ask you if you wanted to read it, you tell it yes, and then you continue. So since we have that, we're going to go to Immobilizer, by vehicle, Chevrolet, USA, and this is a Trax 2015 to 2019. So what we're going to do is we're going to program keys without smart. We're going to add a key, close all doors, and switch the ignition on position. Click yes to continue. Alright, we're going to go to the on. We're going to click yes. We're going to enter the security code. Alright. Going to communicate. Okay, now this will take about 10 minutes for it to do its thing, then we'll continue. We left the key on. Okay. First open, then close driver's door. Next is confirm all electronic components is off. Then press OK to continue. Open, close, OK. Insert the key you wish to be programmed and switch the ignition to on position. Click OK. We're going to click OK. Want to program another key. Tell it no. Switch ignition off position and remove the key, then press OK to continue. OK. First open, then close driver's door. Next is to confirm all electrical off. OK. So we're waiting 44 seconds and the remote and the start should work. Alright, to the on position, we'll use the programmed key. Okay. So program is complete. I'm going to shut the key off, remove it. I'm going to open the door and close the door. Okay. So let's see if it works. So it starts it. Security lights out. We'll shut it off. We'll lock, we'll unlock, and we'll consider that a success. So that is programming a 2017 Chevy Trax with the AutoProPAD. Thanks, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying bye.